Hey y'all, so when I'm on live, people always ask me like, can you make a video of how you do your brows? So here we go. I start off with the Shop Missy brow soap and I front brush and back brush my brows. Alright, you want to make sure that all the hairs are coated evenly. Don't worry about the white, it will all dry down and we're going to clean them up. Alright, and look how that tweezer just laid them nice and flat. I do not fill my brows with any type of pomade, pencil, or anything. This is all I do. All right, if you're somebody who has bushy or full brows, this will probably work for you. All right, I go in with a translucent powder. As you guys can see, over time, it kind of just settles and gets rid of that extra shine. And just take a base or concealer of your choice. I use the e.l.f. Camo concealer today, and just clean them up. Let me know if you guys like this, if you guys like more of a tutorial from me on anything. Bye, y'all.